Alright, hello everybody from Key West, Florida. Today we are staying 3 nights at the Crown Plaza, Key West, La Concha. And we are going to be doing a hotel room tour and review of my room number 409. So let's go. Get this nice key card holder here. Pull the key out. There's the key. Oh, wait. Alright, so as we enter the room, just gonna take a look at the safety features here. So we have your standard deadbolt and chain lock that are found on most hotel room doors. Just unlock this for right now. If we're looking at the map, this is a really weird hotel. So, of course, there's 3 of us staying in this room. So, it was, there's 2 beds in this room, as you can tell. We're staying here with my grandparents, and they're on the other side of the hotel, which is this side. We are on this side. We are like the first room right off the elevator. You could probably see the elevator right from the intro, but they are 1 floor up and on this side in room 557. And this elevator, there's 2 elevators in here. Might do an elevator review too. Really weird elevators actually. This one only goes up to the 4th floor that we have. So there's this. This is technically considered for this side of the hotel, for top floor. But this side goes up, the 5th and 6th floor have rooms, and then the 7th floor is basically the top where there's a gym and a spa. And the pool is accessible only from the 2nd floor. So yeah, we have a bathroom here. This is a really cool bathroom, and I'll show you why. Well, of course there's that light, and then this light, I've never seen this in a hotel bathroom. Hey, what's up? Has a light around the mirror. It has a really nice sink. They only gave us 1 bar of soap, which sucks. And then standard toilet. And then a really nice shower. Now we'll go ahead and test the water pressure, although I already know it's really nice. So that's cool. Water pressure is really good actually. Hopefully that water all gets down there. Curtain's not too long. It does. Then we have your heat controls right here. A light right above the AC. Got a light. And then we have a mirror here once again. And then we have your 2 beds. This is my bed, and this is my parents' bed. And then we have the flat screen TV, which when it turns on, it just has some information about the hotel and stuff like that. And they gave us some jewels, which we decided to use for my clothes. And then in here we have a mini fridge. We have some leftover pizza in there from last night. And then we have cups and stuff in that drawer. And then we have a really nice sofa here. This thing is really nice. So are these beds. These beds are like the firmest beds I've ever slept on. Then we have a little nightstand right here with some water bottles and coffee maker and stuff. And then we also have one over here with the phone and some beads that we bought and a lamp. And then last but not least, well, actually, we have a view. Looks out to a parking lot on Duval and Fleming streets. And then we got all the crap. And some other work. So yeah, it's really nice. Really nice room. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the closet. Basically where my dad keeps all of his shirts and some of my shirts. So yeah, nice, simple hotel room, and now we are going to do an elevator review. Turn all this off. I'm gonna go downstairs. Okay. Can't see the pool from here, but it's out there. So on this elevator, on the 4th floor, it doesn't light up the button. I hope I pressed the right button on this one. Going to the lobby because there's 2 buttons here. And one of them will take you to the employee workspace, which I don't know why they just don't lock off. Did I get my key? Crap, I forgot my key. Oh, shit. Shit. I forgot my key. Oh, you know what? I didn't forget my key. Shit. So we're gonna go to L. Come on, open this door, not that door. The 3rd, 2nd, and employee workspace opens that door. On this door, actually, in the lobby. The 4th floor only opens on this door. Only the 4th floor. I think this is the right door. Yep, that's the right door. That's gonna do it, guys. Bye-bye.